Is your Wi-Fi slow, unstable, or constantly disconnecting? Here's something many people don't realize. Your router already has a much faster and more reliable connection built in. And all you need is one Ethernet cable. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to connect your laptop directly to your router, how to avoid the most common mistake, and how to make sure everything is working properly. Let's get started. First, take an Ethernet cable. Now look at the sides of your laptop. Many laptops have a built-in Ethernet port that looks slightly larger than a USB port. If your laptop is ultra-thin and doesn't have one, don't worry. You can simply use a USB to Ethernet adapter. Once you find the port, insert one end of the cable. Push it gently until you hear or feel a click. That click means the cable is securely connected. Easy so far. Now go to your Wi-Fi router. On the back, you'll see several ports. Most routers have multiple LAN ports. They're usually labeled LAN, Ethernet, or numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plug the other end of the cable into any available LAN port. And here's the mistake many people make. Do not plug it into the port labeled WAN or Internet. That port is reserved for the connection coming from your modem or ISP equipment. If you use the wrong port, your laptop may not get internet access. So always use one of the LAN ports. Once both ends are connected, wait a few seconds. In most cases, Windows, macOS, and Linux automatically detect the connection. No extra software. No complicated settings. Everything happens automatically. But how do you know if it's actually working? There are two simple ways. Look at the router. Many routers have small indicator lights near each Ethernet port. If the light is solid or blinking, that's a good sign. It means your router recognizes that a device is connected. Some routers even use different colors to show speed or activity. No light? Double-check that the cable is fully inserted on both ends. Now look at your laptop. If Wi-Fi was connected before, you may notice something interesting. The Wi-Fi symbol may disappear or become inactive. Instead, you'll usually see a monitor-shaped icon or an Ethernet symbol. That's your computer telling you it's using a wired connection. Want to be extra sure? Open a web browser and visit any website. If pages load normally, you're connected. Not all Ethernet cables are the same. For most homes, Cat5e and Cat6 cables are excellent choices. Cat5e easily supports gigabit internet speeds. Cat6 offers better performance and improved shielding, especially over longer distances. Both are affordable and work perfectly with modern routers and laptops. So if you're buying a new cable, Cat5e or Cat6 is the way to go. Think Ethernet cables have to be short? Actually, they can be much longer than most people expect. Standard Ethernet cables can run up to 100 meters, or about 328 feet, without losing performance. That means you can place your computer in another room and still enjoy full speed. Pretty impressive, right? Ever wondered why gamers and streamers often avoid Wi-Fi? Because Ethernet provides lower latency, fewer interruptions, and a more stable connection. It's perfect for online gaming, video calls, 4K streaming, large file downloads, and working from home. If reliability matters, Ethernet is hard to beat. Still no internet? Try these quick fixes. First, unplug and reconnect the cable. Second, try another LAN port on the router. Third, restart your laptop. Fourth, restart your router. And if possible, test with another Ethernet cable. Most connection problems are solved with one of these simple steps. And that's it. Connecting your laptop to a router with an Ethernet cable is one of the easiest ways to get faster and more stable internet. No complicated setup. No technical experience required. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more simple tech tips, Wi-Fi guides, and internet troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.